Welcome to all of you in Environmental Science Seminar. My name is Janvi Morishwar Deshpande. I am BSc third year student. My group is CEB and my topic is biomedical waste. So, I will start my seminar. Content: definition of biomedical waste, types of biomedical waste, example of biomedical waste, the source of biomedical waste, how does biomedical waste affect the environment, way to reduce your medical waste, alternative biomedical waste disposal method, effect on human. First, definition of biomedical waste. According to Biomedical Waste Management and Handling Rules in 1998 of India, any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment, or immunization of a human being or animals in the research activities pertaining or the production testing of biology. Four types of biomedical waste. There are generally four different kinds of biomedical waste. First, infectious, second, hazardous, third, radioactive, and fourth, general. Example of biomedical waste. Biomedical waste consists of human anatomical waste like tissue, organ, and body parts, animal waste generated during a research from veterinary hospitals, microbiology and biotechnology waste, waste sharp like hypodermic needles, springs, and broken glass, discarded medicine, and cytotoxic drugs. The source of biomedical waste. The major source of healthcare waste are hospitals and other health facilities, laboratories and research center, mortual and autopsy center, animals research and testing laboratories, blood banks and collection services, nursing home for the elderly. Characteristics of biomedical waste. The main characteristics of biomedical waste are: first, disinfection nearest to source. Second, mutilation, often disinfection at the earliest opportunity. Third, does not affect individual or environment. Fourth, a solution does not become problem. How does biomedical waste affect the environment? The harmful chemical form biomedical waste may pollute air, water, and land that in turn may cause health problems. To the resident, medical waste is considered as a source of contamination of a land and water. Source, if not rendered harmless before it is buried in land or disposed in water. Way to reduce your medical waste. First, develop a formal waste disposal management plan. Second, provide through rough, consistent employees training. Third, no Arizona medical waste regulation. Fourth, restrict access whenever possible. Alternative biomedical waste disposal method. First, incineration. Second, chemical disinfection. Third, wet and dry thermal treatment. Fourth, microwave irradiation. Fifth, land disposal. Sixth, inertization. Effect of human disposal of this waste is an environmental concern as many medical waste are classified as infectious or biohazardous and could potentially lead to spread of infectious disease. The most common danger for human in the infectious which also affect other living organisms in the region. Daily exposure to the waste lead to accumulation of harmful substance or microbes in the person body. Thank you.